Hello friends, I am Santosh from Information Technology Department, and this is going to be a video presentation on how to create a slot timetable using Django. So let's get started. So initially, as you could see, this is the timetable that we are trying to create, not the same one but similar to this. So the first step, we go to the GitHub link and we're going to fork the GitHub file, which is nothing but copying the file. So once it goes there, click code, copy the code. Now go to Visual Studio Code. Now here, click clone git repository, paste the link and click clone from URL. Now we are going to select a repository destination. I'm selecting the same. And once it is cloned, you will get a message like this. And here, click open a new window. Now, now go to view, click terminal, or in other words, you could drag from here. So now the very first step in every project is activating the environment. So we're gonna activate the environment using the code slash activate. So once the environment is activated, we are gonna add the name of the repository folder to the directory by typing the code cd space slot. Okay. Then we're gonna create a Django project by the command Django -admin space start project space name of the project that I'm trying to create is VP. So I'm just creating VP because it's a video presentation. And after it's created, type cd space VP in order to add that to the directory. Now we are going to create a new app in Django by the command python space manage .py space start app space the name of the app that we are trying to create. I'm typing as slot app. So once everything is done, you could go to file and save it, or you click Ctrl plus S. But the thing with Ctrl plus S is you could find something like this. So just have a habit of going to the file and doing such. Okay. Now here we usually type code space dot after the we are adding the repository folder. But since we have done the forking process differently from the traditional process of forking in the GitHub, we are doing just these comments. So now going back to the here, we are gonna go to the slot app, go to settings.py, and in 14th line type import OS, and in 28th line give foreign strings. And it's very important that you add the name of the app that you have created. The name should be same. Only then the app will be installed properly. Then go to line number 119 and type static files underscore dirs directories is equals to open bracket os dot path dot join of base underscore dir comma slot app slash static. So once you type these codes, just go to the file and save it. Now we are going to click the name of click the folder of the app, create new folder named static. And in that, we are going to create an HTML file named time It may be any name as you wish. And I'm going to copy the code that I have created before in order to create the slot timetable. Since the timetable that we are wishing to achieve as a the image logo on the top, we have to, like this, we have to check whether the image is given in the static folder in which the HTML file is present. So we already have a image file there. We're going to drag it and drop it in the static folder. It's going to ask for confirmation. Just move it and also check in the code whether the file name and the folder is given correctly. Once you're done, save the file and go back to the terminal. Now here we're going to execute the run server command by typing python space manage dot py space run server space 8000. Once you execute it, it will give the output as such, and click Control plus that link. You would get this page. Now here type slash name of the static slash name of the HTML file, which is HTML. And thus you could get a beautiful HTML page that you have created and we have executed is using Django. Thank you very much and have a nice day.